What's up guys, Arif here, and I'm showing you today how to set up the SmallRig camera mount for the Blackmagic 6K and 4K camera. Not the 6K Pro, that's a different mount. But if you ordered this one, I'm going to show you how to set it up because, well, the company video is absolutely terrible and you need better instructions. So when you open up your package, you're going to have all this hardware if you ordered the SSD mounting kit. You have 3 Allen keys, 2 sets of big as hell screws, 1 medium-sized hell screw, some mounting bracket, and then 2 tiny ass screws. So you don't need those right away if you don't have an SSD. But let's get started. So put the camera into the mount and you'll see there's like a little jagged cutout here. So the handle goes through the little jagged cutout and you want to line the top of the camera with the mounting hole and take the like smaller big as hell screw and you want to just thread that in there. And I know you need this one because you need it to be flush mounted because the handle goes on top of this. So as soon as you can line it up, if you have trouble, ask your wife's boyfriend. He can probably help you out. Just line that up and just put that in the hole right here. You guys see that there? It's like nice and secured. Now with 2 hands, turn over the camera. Always support it. And take this like mounting bracket thing and drop it into here. And now secure that. Is this the right one? Nope. This is the right one. So just secure that down. There you go. Perfect. Next we need to do our handle. We're gonna just line it up wherever you want it. I'm gonna do, I don't know, I feel like here is a better holding spot. I do feel like that's just better, so you can see they're not like hard capped to the location, so that's always good. That is not the right one. Perfect. Okay, now it's all going in. We got it. So just put this in here and let's batten down the hatch over here. There we go. So, not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous holding this. I feel like I definitely need a secondary handle, which I will order later on. But that is good. That's solid. Okay, so now we have that. Now, like I said, if you have the SSD mount, that goes over here. So let's install that. So should be these 2 like smaller screws that go in here. Ah, god damn it. Not what you want, but hey, it works. I was mistaken. These are not for SSDs. I don't know why I thought that, when there's clearly 2 bottom holes in this little mounting bracket down here. So we're gonna go ahead and just drop those down and batten down the hatchet. There it is. But guys, that is how you set up the MagicRig for the Blackmagic 4K 6K cameras. Hope this video helped. So remember, the 2 biggest hell screw, the 2 fat screws are for the handle. The 1 really fat screw is for mounting the camera to the cage. You have the 2 smaller screws for mounting the SSD rig. And then the little bracket goes on the bottom with the little 2.5 inch screws. So, hope this video helped you guys. If you did, hey, let me know in the comments down below and I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.